Good morning, Opostars. We'll be doing the Tiruvadara Kali and Yalgari Kotu. The idea is to do this in less than 15 minutes or so. I'll start the stopwatch. We'll do everything from scratch. I'm going to take a couple of tablespoons of ghee. Two spoons. So this is around 3 nice tablespoons of ghee. I'll add one more extra tablespoon. And I'm going to add 1 cup of jaggery. That is 1 full cup and half a cup. And a tiny bit of salt to enhance the flavors. That is around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to blend 1 cup of coconut to a coarse paste.
The blade get a second. So ensure that you cut your coconut really small, otherwise they might get trapped in the blades and temporarily disable your mixing for a few seconds. I'm going to add 4 cups of water. That is 1. The amount of water depends on the consistency you are looking for. If you are looking for a grainy curry, add less water. If you are looking for a nice porridgey consistency, add more water. So that is 3 and that is 4 cups of water. I'm going to close this. Put this on the de-veg mode. That is the de-veg mode with the vent closed. In the meanwhile, I'll start roasting the rice and dal. So this is 1 cup of raw rice which has been soaked in water, washed, which has been washed, drained and dried. So we are just going to roast it. The idea is to pre-cook the rice and dal, so they do not need too much of cooking. They would need just hydration. This is 1/4 cup of moong dal, again washed, dried, and we are going to convert it into grits. This is nutmeg. She wants me to add this for the flavor, and a couple of cloves. So we'll just roast this till the time the jaggery is getting cooked. We'll dry roast this. Just keep it on low flame. Cook it till you get a nice smell. Load பண்ணிடலாம். Okay. Let me try to salvage the coconut.
So ensure that you don't overload your jar. If you do that, the mixie would need resetting. Porma, put it down here. Since the pressure is not built up in the cookboard, I am going to open this and add the messed coconut. So this is 1 cup of blended coconut blended into a coarse powder, coarse paste, sorry. Okay. Now what I'll do is, we'll start doing the blending for the kootu. For the kootu again, I'll take around a cup of coconut. We'll blend this into a coarse paste for the kootu also. Porma baranga? Low flame no chirumamma. Innoru 10 நிமிஷம் ஆகும். Low flame வச்சு அடி பிடிக்காதுமா. எதுக்கு கிண்டிட்டே இருக்கேங்க. So by washing rice, drying it, dry roasting it, we are actually pre-cooking rice. So it does not need too much of cooking and water. It's almost ready to be eaten. Now this is roasted rice grain. This is almost ready to be eaten. And we just convert it to grits, mix it in the hot syrup, and it will cook in the retained heat perfectly. Okay. Now we'll start loading for the kootu. Just move the cookboard aside. Start loading. I'll add a couple of tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. I'll add a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. Pour mama. Heat low pantama. You better be recommended. Unagadu. Okay. So we'll add around half a cup of water. We'll add around half a cup of water. This is so this is half a cup of tur dal which has been soaked. I'll add this as a bottom layer. Now we'll add odd numbers of vegetables. She has taken 11 different vegetables. I'm going to add quarter cup of each. So some pumpkin, some white pumpkin, some squash, some potatoes, some eggplant. You'll see that I varied the cut size. The potatoes have been cut small. This cut பண்றது பெருசுனது கட் பண்ணேன். இங்க பாருங்க. கத்திரிக்காய் பெருசா வெட்டி இருக்கேன். உருளைக்கிழங்கு சின்னதா வெட்டி இருக்கேன். அப்பதான் எல்லாம் ஒரே மாதிரி வேகும். சரியா? Some banana, some yam. Do not overfill the pot. Do not dump all vegetables into it. We just had an argument with my mom. She wanted me to put everything together. That will result in overcooked stuff. So cook twice if you want. Use 2 pots if you want. If you are cooking a larger quantity, do not overfill the pot. unless you want mushy overcooked curries. Cook twice or use 2 pots.
இது எந்த கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் போடு.
Quarter cup of carrots, quarter cup of broad beans, quarter cup of mochai, fresh legumes, and this is green peas. I'm going to add this in pip.
ரெண்டு போட்டா போடலாம்.
Pipla potla. This is quarter cup of green beans, and this is double beans. So quarter cup of that. Where na? Ella potacha?
போட்டாச்சு. அந்த மஞ்சப்பொடி, உப்பு அதெல்லாம்.
Now you can mix in turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is tamarind.
புளி கம்மி.
This is.
காய் நிறைய கம்மி.
We'll take one tablespoon of tamarind with seeds and fibers removed. So you can add it as it is, or you can add opposed tamarind paste. This is around 1 teaspoon of salt
புளி உண்டு.
and 1 teaspoon of jaggery. அவ்வளவுதானம்மா?
அவ்வளவுதான்.
வேற கறிவேப்பிலை கடைசியில் போட்டுக்கலாமா?
கருவேப்பிலை எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் போடு. கருவேப்பிலை கொஞ்சம் போடு.
And some curry leaves. Do not mix anything. We'll let this go for around.
அது போட்டுடு, வெள்ளத்தை.
இது என்னது வெல்லமா?
வெல்லம்.
A bit of jaggery.
வேணுங்கிறவா போட்டு போடு.
Do not mix everything. Just let this go for around 4 to 5 whistles. It might slightly overcook the vegetables, but the tur dal will be perfectly cooked. And anyway, no one is going to blame you for overcooking vegetables. You can gleefully cook them to death, and no one is going to raise the slightest complaint. But the lightest amount of undercooking will, and all hell will break loose. So don't do that. If you are cooking for people who are not accustomed to oppose, intentionally overcook it. So we'll remove this and we'll put it. Amma, you wango? Mami, ancho istu wango. இது என்ன பண்ணலாம் சொல்லுங்க இப்போ யார் வந்தாலும் கதை திறக்காதீங்க வீடியோ எடுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னால இது என்ன போடலாம் இப்போ
இது பண்ணிடணும்
தேங்காய் பேஸ்ட்டு தேங்காய் பேஸ்ட்டு
தேங்காய் எல்லாம் வறுத்து தான் போடணும் வறுத்து அரைச்சி தான்
அப்போ வறுத்து அரைச்சி விடலாம்
இல்லை இது மிக்சியில் போட்டுக்கோ
இது வறுத்தாச்சே
மிக்சியில் போட்டுக்கோ அந்த மிக்சியில் பொடிச்சு
We will get the dal and rice stuff ready. Blend it into coarse grits. You'll see the color has changed. Rice has become slightly reddish. இதெல்லாம் போட்டுருந்தாங்களே என்ன விட்டா இல்லை விட்டா Now we are going to roast this with a bit of oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Meantime, I'm going to blend this into coarse grits. Pochra. I'm sorry, we are out of power. Huh? Good morning, Upustas. We'll continue from where we left off. We start the stopwatch. And this, fortunately, there is no problem with the cookboard. It is displayed off. It is in a keep warm mode. I'm going to just blend in mix in the rice and moong dal grits. Release pressure. Huh? எதுமா எது நறுக்கிற வரைக்கும் என்ன நறுக்கணுமா ஓகே she wants this to be ground even more finer almost like rava so let me do that let me release the pressure It is almost like coarse flour. Parma, idu parma paranga. So if you use large grits, they won't cook. So you can even blend it to an almost flour. No konchu kuda archkata. No konchu kuda. உதுரு வேணா தண்ணி கம்மி பண்ணிக்கலாமா? நீங்க அது சைஸ் மாற்ற வேண்டாம், அது சீக்கிரம் வெந்துடும். Now I'm just going to add the grits into this and mix it in. Whisk irukama? So using a whisk could be easier. Just keep whisking it and adding in the grits. This will dramatically thicken on cooling. So don't worry, don't be afraid if it looks liquidy. Just wait for the magic to happen on its own. The worst case scenario, if you have used too much of water or too little grits, you can always add more grits and correct it. So I'm just going to let this sit. Do nothing. Close this and let this sit. Keep this aside. Keep the vent closed and continue the preparation for the kootu. Now kootu, try to avoid using tur dal if possible, because tur dal, balancing the cooking time of tur dal and the vegetables is not easy. Avoid it. Using cooked tur dal is not advisable on festive days, so avoid tur dal completely. I will blend in a bunch of stuff for the kootu. Ennalam podalam? 2 tablespoons of dhania. I have added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So 2 tablespoons of dhania, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, basically all aromatics. 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of urad dal. So this is basically parupu pudi. And 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of pepper. The quantities just do not matter. Around 5 dry red chilies. I'm going to add some grated coconut right now. So blend it, mix it all together, let it roast for a while. If you are doing it in high flame, you need to keep stirring it constantly. If you are doing it in low flame, you don't need to. You put it in low flame, go mind your own business, and this will get automatically roasted on its own. If you want it fast, then use it on high flame and keep stirring it like this. இது இப்பவே போடணுமாமா? இதை வறுத்து உள்ள போடணுமா, இல்லை பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட போட்டுக்கலாமாம்மா? அது கடைசியில் கூட போட்டுக்கலாமே. அது வறுக்கிற வரைக்கும் எதுக்கு வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கணும்? So let this get roasted on one side. On the other side, let me just get this cooking for a couple of whistles. So that we save some time. We are already past the 20 minutes. I hope to finish the curry and kootu. And I forgot to add the green peas and pepper. Just roast till you get a nice smell of spices frying. Get the heat down if something starts blackening. Pour mama. And blend everything to a see. It's nice and golden. Blend everything to a smooth powder. எப்படி தரதர நரைக்கிறதா? தண்ணி ஊத்துறமா? அரைச்சு விட்டு அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி ஊத்துறேன். I'm going to blend this to a powder and blend it with some water into a paste. அண்ணா மையாட்ட அரைச்சிக்கிட்டாமா?
ஜார் சரியா போடல என்ன மிக்ஸில.
போட்டுறேன். That is ground to a nice and thick paste. So we'll mix this in after the கூட்டு gets cooked. சரி, அப்புறம் இது பண்ணிடலாமா? முந்திரி திராட்சை கொஞ்சம் வறுத்துடலாமா அதுக்கு? So we'll get the garnish ready for the curry. என்ன நெய்? Add some cashews. Some raisins. Then my yellow kapadiya. Pressure is built up. In another 2 to 3 minutes this should be done. So what I plan to do in 20 minutes has taken us close to 30 minutes. That's it. I'll let this go for around 4 whistles. Till the time I'll just get the curry done. You'll see that the curry has already You'll see that it has already thickened. It will thicken even further. I'll just mix in the garnish. பாருங்க பதம் சரியா இருக்கா? இன்னும் கட்டியாகுமா? This is edible camphor. She wants me to add a tiny bit of it. And a bit of cardamom powder. A tiny pinch, very small pinch of edible camphor. That is done. I'm switching this off, releasing the pressure. Taste பார்ப்பீங்களா மாட்டீங்களா? So the tasting session is postponed till she completes her prayers. Now we just need to mix this with the kootu, and that is done too. Mix it all up. You will see that the tuvar dal is also well cooked. Actually, the vegetables are slightly overcooked than what I would have preferred, because we let the dal cook, and because we added more water than quarter cup. That's a small price to pay to keep peace at home. So I'm just not saying anything. எத்தனை பேருக்கு மாசம் ஆகும் இது களி கூட்டு? You could have filled the 3 liter with vegetables, but unfortunately that would have resulted in overcooked vegetables. இது 2 பேருக்கு ஆகுமாமா? என்னம்மா சொல்றீங்க? ஒரு குண்டா இருக்க கூட்டு எங்க போய் 2 பேருக்கா? நீங்க சும்மா உங்க பாயிண்ட் ப்ரூவ் பண்றதுக்காக தப்பா சொல்லக்கூடாது. சரி, கூட்டு இன்னும் தண்ணி விடலாமா வேண்டாமா? கொடுங்க. This is a couple of tablespoons of bottle tadka, some cilantro, and if you want more kootu, do it twice or spice it heavily and dilute it. Kali, you can fill the pot to the brim. So exactly 30 minutes, we are done with our 7 gari kootu and Tiruvadara Kali. 11 gari kootu and Tiruvadara Kali. Try this out and please post your validations. I'll wait for your validations. Thank you.